His Excellency the Acting Indian High Commissioner, Mr. Ajay Kumar, Ms. Liza Segibayaba, the Regional Program Director, UN Women Pacific Sub-Regional Officer, the government officials, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, Nisambulaminak, and good morning to you all. It is an honor to stand here before you to welcome back Fiji's first 10 talented solar engineers who have graduated from the Barefoot College in Rajasthan, India. Ladies and gentlemen, 6 months ago, this is the very place we witnessed the farewell ceremony, and today our grandmothers have returned to install Fiji's own solar electrification projects in their respective villages. Today's ceremony has been organized to recognize your achievement as being the agents of change for this nation. With the given skills, you are an asset to this nation as you will impart that knowledge to solar electrify and light up the villages that have been in darkness for years. You are the source of inspiration and will be remembered into Fiji's history as the women who took up the challenge of becoming Fiji's solar female engineers. This morning's forum is also to allow you to share your experiences and stories from India, whilst you have also been given the opportunity to showcase the tools and processes you have mastered in the last 6 months. Allow me to take this opportunity to also acknowledge the great contribution and support provided by our valuable partners, without whom this project would not have eventuated. First, I would like to thank the UN Women and the Indian High Commission for their technical, financial support and advice starting from the initial stages of this program. My gratitude also goes to Mr. Bankaroy for his ideas and continued assistance towards making this a reality, and not forgetting the families and friends for providing motivation and for your patience while waiting for their return. This partnership has been taken to another level, where the Memorandum of Understanding is expected to be signed between Fiji and the Barefoot College in starting 2 new projects for women in Fiji. The first is the manufacturing of sanitary pads using raw materials in rural areas at reasonable cost, and secondly, the production of educational toys for children in preschools using recycled products such as plastic bags. This will be in line with the government's commitment to create economic opportunities for women in Fiji, as new women resource centers will open this year around the country. These centers will adopt a one center, one raw material concept in order to concentrate on a definite key product rather than to compromise quality and supply. Ladies and gentlemen, this initiative is through a joint effort, and the very recent government is advocating for private partnership to drive the socio-economic development in Fiji. I can confidently say that with the achievement by Ilyas Andelana, followed by our solar grandmothers, these have set Fiji off at gold medal pace, and in the coming days, I'm sure the 10 grandmothers will be signatories of more successful stories to come. Thank you, and now,